What if I told you that the secret to perfectly pressed clothes in 2025 is just one iron away? Whether you're a busy professional, a fashion enthusiast, or just someone who hates wrinkles, these top 5 clothing irons will blow your mind. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is perfect for you. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. ExtremeSteam Iron with Retractable Cord. Known for its top-notch heating and straightening hair care tools, Chi has adapted the same technologies to its line of clothing irons and garment steamers. In our lab tests, Chi clothing care appliances always perform well, and this iron is no exception. It not only expertly pressed linen and heavy cotton fabrics, but it also had the most powerful steam burst of the models we tested. We found the Chi comfortable to hold, and when you make your fabric selection on the dial, the illuminated display confirms your choice. The large water tank's lid swivels out to fill, though the opening is a bit small, and a retractable cord means tidy storage too. Its scratch-resistant ceramic sole plate glides effortlessly across fabrics, though we did find the Chi to be a bit prone to tipping. This iron is such a GH cleaning lab favorite that we keep it on display as a top pick and think it's well worth the $100 plus price tag. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER Vitessa Advanced Steam Iron. For those on a budget or not yet ready to invest in an expensive steam iron, BLACK+DECKER's Vitessa is a solid pick. It was among our top performers for wrinkle removal and offers some valuable extras at a great price. We love the 6 different temperature settings for more customized ironing. While its non-stick sole plate glided easily over our test fabrics and we didn't experience any snagging, it may not be as durable as other sole plate materials. At only 2 pounds, the Vitessa is very lightweight yet wasn't challenged by deep-set wrinkles even on cotton and linen, and did a very good job producing steam. Storing it is easy with its retractable cord, and though it took a little longer to heat up than others we tested, once it picks up steam, it's a cinch to maneuver. We applaud its clear water tank that allows you to easily see how much water you have left. Number 3. Panasonic 360 degrees Ceramic Cordless Freestyle Iron. The best overall pick in our review of best cordless irons, this Panasonic 360 degrees Freestyle Iron also has over 1,100 5-star reviews on Amazon. With a pointed tip at each end of the sole plate, the whole surface is functional in any direction. Holes around the perimeter emit steam all around to more easily de-wrinkle large items, and because it's cordless, there's no scrunching up what you've already smoothed, and items, like bedding and draperies, far from an outlet are within reach. All cordless irons cool off quickly, and you have to set them back on a base to reheat as you reposition your garment. But we never waited long for Panasonic's model to get back up to full temperature. It comes with a carrying case, and although the base is a bit bulky, it automatically shuts off if no movement is sensed after 10 minutes. Number 4. Conair ExtremeSteam Pro Steam Iron. Conair's irons and garment steamers are good housekeeping seal stars that you can count on to de-wrinkle fabrics quickly. This ExtremeSteam Pro iron heats up in under 60 seconds, even to the highest heat setting, and was a top steam producer in our tests. It impressively smoothed the tough wrinkles we set into our cotton, wool, silk, and linen test fabrics. Rubber feet make it less likely to topple, though it was a little bulky to maneuver. We also found that keeping the water tank full to the max line helped prevent the occasional drips that happened as we ironed. If you have hard water, this Conair iron resists corrosion with a calcium collector and has a self-cleaning function to ensure it keeps pumping. Adjustable temperature settings, continuous vertical steam that doesn't spit, and a soft, even spray mist feature that won't drench fabrics round out its strengths. Number 5. Rowenta Smart Temp Steam Iron. You won't find a typical temperature or fabric selection dial on Rowenta's Smart Temp Steam model. Instead, it's designed to iron all fabrics at optimal heat, making it super easy to use. We were wary, but in our tests, it finished in a 3-way tie for best wrinkle remover and came in second in our lab's performance tests. And with a 4.2-star Amazon rating, consumers agree. One reviewer said, "I am most impressed with the amount of steam generated. A stainless steel sole plate is smooth and easy to clean, and an anti-calc system assures the iron keeps steaming. One hiccup is the dark water tank, which makes it hard to see how much water is inside and when it needs to be refilled. And there you have it, the top 5 best clothing irons of 2025. Which one are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more game-changing recommendations. All the product links are in the description, so go check them out. Until next time, stay sharp and wrinkle-free.